Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's go through another mixing station tutorial. This one will be quite a short one. We are going through the global settings. It's not that many things to change over there, but still a few things are really good to know. Let's dive into it. You can see the start screen of mixing station, and top right is the wheel button. Let's go first to a pretty new function. It's the backup and restore function. It's the first element here. Here you can create a backup of your mixing station configuration. Only mixing station. It won't back up your mixer at all. It will back up your mixing station configuration, like your layouts, your layers, MIDI configuration, your settings, stuff like this, but not the snapshots from the mixer, nothing like this. To create the backup, you can say export your backup to the community, or you can save it locally on your device. For the moment, I will go locally, save it to my desktop, and I'm done. You see it, just a few clicks and I have backed up my mixing station. To restore is the same way. Just hit here, restore locally, and choose the backup file, and you're done. Then part 2, the global settings. Here are a few things to know. First is the update branch. With this, you can choose if you want to get only public releases, or if you want to participate in the MS Community Beta program. You will get, with the beta program, you will get news quite faster, new stuff on the app, but you need to know not everything is working right away. That's why we do beta tests. David implements some new features. We test it through the beta, give him feedback so we can make it ready for the release. The scale here, the next part, is pretty important if you, like me, if you have glasses, if you are not that young anymore, you can zoom up the whole mixing station. Let's see, put it down to 1.0. See, everything gets a bit bigger. We'll put it back to 1.6. It's okay for me. The second pretty important thing I want to let you know is the Autostart feature. The normal start progress for mixing station is you start your app. You will come to that screen, choose your console type, search for the console. If you have found it, you can connect. That takes a few clicks. You have to check your screen. It takes a while. There is another way. It's really good if you just have one console, and if this console always have the same IP address, then this will speed up the startup progress quite a bit. To activate Autostart, go to the global settings, choose your console type, like my one is the M32. Put in here the IP address of your console and hit OK. Now let's see, we'll quit mixing station again and start it again. And you will see mixing station will connect, find the mixer, connect and sync the mixer right away without anything else to do. That speeds up the initial connecting quite a bit. Okay. Then here, the last setting I want to talk to is auto reconnect. If this is active and you have any kind of connection problems between your device and the mixer, can happen. But if you have this active, the mixing station will try to reconnect automatically to the mixer and resync everything. The third thing I want to talk about is how to set up mixing station to use it as a personal monitoring app. Mixing station is able to activate restricted access. Restricted access means that you are only allowed to control specific buses. You are not allowed to control like main LR. You're not allowed to control the EQs or stuff like this. Just your volumes on your own bus. To activate this, open your console type, and here is the mix access. It's by default on no restrictions. That means if I will start mixing station now, I will get access to everything. If I open this, set it to personal monitor and choose the bus I'm working with, let's say bus number 1. From this moment on, I will only be able to control my bus. I won't be able to control main LR, and I will have a reduced interface. Let's see how this looks. You see, there are only faders anymore on my layout. I can define my layers as much as I want. Can choose my user layer, edit it, and add or remove some channels. Let's just do anything. So you can see these are the new channels over here. And I'm only able to mute and unmute the send to my bus and not the main LR muting. That's the easy thing for your bandmates. Set it to restricted access and they are controlling their own buses and not main LR or some other buses. To move it back, go back to no restrictions and you're good to go to work with the whole mixer again. So I hope you liked that video. So I know it's just a short one, but I think there are some pretty important things in it, and come back. I will put up some more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.